Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So started opening this up. This is an exhaust system for my brother's truck. Make sure there's not like a shipping package on this side so you guys can see the address. But anyway, it's a Banks. It's a 4-inch system with a 5-inch tip. This is the first Banks product that me or him have ever bought. So just showing you guys like an unboxing, and then I'm gonna do a video on how the factory exhaust sounds, and then going to this. So not much in the box. Well, the big thing underneath is gonna be your muffler, obviously. Other than that, $400 for some pretty sweet stickers, and Gale Banks' product. So anyway, there's not much in the box to show you guys. Just wanted to show you the unboxing. Gonna do revs on the truck out there so you guys can hear it, and then we're gonna toss this on. We're gonna see if it's louder or not. I know this is the tip, which obviously it says that actually on the box, and then we'll see what it looks like. So wait for the revs. So pulled the tip out just to see what it looks like. It's actually pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie. Stamped on top. The reason we went with Banks, guys, is because Memorial Day, there was a pretty large sale on this exhaust. It was actually cheaper than an MBRP, which I don't want to say MBRP is the cheapest because that's not true, but they're up there with one of the cheaper ones. But looks pretty good. This is a 5-inch tip. So, all right. Alright guys, so here's the instructions. So the only thing that you really have to worry about, figure 4, that is for mega cabs or crew cab long beds. We don't have that, so we just need figure 5, but it shows you guys exactly how it goes. It's all the pipes out, all the clamps, muffler, extension pipes, and his hand. Tip right there. That should be it. I mean, this should be... I'm probably gonna end up cutting the factory off because it doesn't matter. So get into it. This is under the truck. This is where this system starts. So it starts after the converter. I can see that that's gonna probably be going at some point in time in the near future, but for right now it's not. If you guys go to unbolt this on your own without cutting it, it's probably gonna be a pain in the ass, I'm gonna be honest with you. So we're probably gonna cut this because there's no reason a factory exhaust should ever go back on. We'll see. So, but this is where we're starting at. Guys, so while he's working on that, so where the cat's at, it has a spot weld on it. So we cut it right down the middle here, and then we don't know how much pipe of this, basically. We don't know how much we have to keep of this, or else we would have just cut it right at the spot welds. So now we're just prying that piece off so that we can retain this factory piece and bolt the other stuff in. So
might have to grind that off, but
yeah. But if you guys are wondering, like, that's basically why we did that, is just so to keep as much of that factory pipe as we can. It's not the end of the world if we would have just cut it off, but we don't want to make more work for ourselves than what we need to. So took a grinding wheel, cut it right down the middle, pried it out with a hammer. We're going to keep working away at those spot welds and get that off and clean up around that. So anyway, tips and the tricks, pretty much just cut the factory stuff off, and then this is going to be the only part that takes any remote time.
Go ahead.
so before we start it up, got everything including the tip all bolted down. I guess we'll have to check for exhaust leaks. Very nice. Super easy, very straightforward. The instructions are really well. I mean, you'd have to be pretty damn dumb to not figure this out, but I have a feeling that cat's gonna have to go here soon. But anyway, we'll get it started, get some revs, see if it sounds different, but it looks really good. Guys, so first drive, I know these are like $400 exhaust, and I'm just gonna be honest because I believe it's a stock cat that's still in there, and yes, it does have a muffler, but I think that cat reduced a lot more than you think. The truck sounds the same. If anything, inside the cab it's actually quieter, so something to keep in mind. I mean, I know most people get like a full exhaust, but this still does have a factory cat on it, so that's still one more thing to get rid of. But just cruising around, even ripping into it, 4-inch exhaust, 5-inch tip, sounds the same. If anything, inside it's quieter. Like the truck's somehow quieter than what it already was. So, got more mods to come. I'm gonna wrap this video up though. I don't know how long this is, but just a full review. The exhaust itself, if you've made it this far, the exhaust itself, great product. All the clamps, everything is way nicer than MBRP. That's what I have on my black truck. But noise-wise, it ain't there. It's definitely not there. But the exhaust system itself, with what Banks sends you, is very nice. So, guys, I'm going to wrap the video up here. Until next time, I'm going to do a little... Hopefully we can look back on that one day when this is turned all the way up. Anyway, guys, till next time, support those who support you. Peace.